At the center of this rapid development is the captivating metropolis of Davao City, the Pearl of Mindanao. Built towards a sustainable future, with emphasis on infrastructure and world-class communities, Davao City has been the fastest growing city in Mindanao in the recent years. Also known for its stunning skyline and beautiful tourist destination, this city is truly one of a kind. Experience the vibrant colors and distinguished culture of Davao City by participating in the annual Kadayawan Festival. Your appetite will certainly be satisfied, as Davao City has the most mouth-watering and appetizing delicacies you will ever experience. From flavorsome fruits to extensive marketplaces, Davao City is a food lover's dream come true. We Community Developers Incorporated, in partnership with Aura South Prime Developers Inc., proudly presents the Diamond Heights, a 24-hectare development at the heart of Davao City. With wide roads and fresh open spaces, the Diamond Heights subdivision will surely feel like a safe haven where children can run around and play freely. As of today, construction is already in full blast. Located in the Buhangin district and being in close proximity to the Davao International Airport and the Pan-Philippine Highway, the Diamond Heights offers its residents an accessible gateway to the city. The project also provides its residents by providing multiple entry and exit options throughout the subdivision. WeCom gives importance to individuality and creativity by providing its future residents different color options to choose from. The Diamond Heights subdivision is currently offering 3 unique and efficiently designed house models, ensuring that every resident and their home is perfectly matched. The design of the interior is also quite exquisite, combining both modern and elegant designs. Amenities such as the basketball court, open and leisure spaces, and a world-class clubhouse make staying in Diamond Heights feel like an everyday vacation. This is truly a one-of-a-kind development. WeCom is excited to offer this to everyone. So come home to Diamond Heights, the brilliant gem of the South.